Hello guys, today I will show you how to cancel Google One subscription. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on a PC, go to the search bar, type in manage Google account, hit enter and click on myaccount.google.com's link, Google account. Now, this will take you to myaccount.google.com. So here what you're going to do is simply type in settings after the link and it will take you to Google One settings. Now, it will instantly open up this page where you can easily cancel membership by clicking on the cancel membership button. Click on cancel again. Now, choose cancel membership here also. After you click on cancel membership, it will instantly cancel your Google One membership. As you can see, this has been cancelled. Now you can click on manage button here and here click on cancel subscription again. Now choose any reason for the cancellation and click on cancel subscription. So that is how you cancel Google One subscription. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.